Hey, what's up? My name's Samuel Leeds, and I just thought I'd shoot a video just to talk a little bit about my thoughts on the UK election results. So Boris Johnson has been elected as Prime Minister again, so he's going to be going back to 10 Downing Street. And here's the thing, right? Firstly, I just want to say this. I think that I've been really sad to see, even on my own Facebook group, we've got like 25,000 property investors, just to see the hate, man. The hate that's been going around, people, you know, on both sides, on every side. People getting really angry, you know, swearing, cussing at people, you know, saying that the result is going to ruin their lives. Listen, here's the thing. You and I, we create our own economy, okay? So no matter who's in power, you're always going to be able to make money. If there's people in the country, okay, making money, which there is, then it's possible to make money. The people that make the rules are usually the same people that make money in property. So first thing I just want to say is just to get this whole, you know, oh, if Corbyn's elected, then it means that we're all going to be broke. And if Boris, no, that's just not how it works. Jim Rohn says that the same wind blows on us all. It's not about the wind that determines the destination, it's the setting of the sail. So I wasn't worried. While everyone else was staying up all night, waiting to see who was going to be in, well, I mean, I did make a prediction. I predicted that Corbyn would not get in. I actually put £10,000 on that. I said I'd give £10,000 to a charity, person I betted against. But here's the thing, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that Boris is in. It wouldn't have mattered, it doesn't, because we create our own economy. I really, really believe that. So all the energy that you might be putting into caring about politics. Now listen, don't get me wrong as well. I voted, okay? I don't even know if I'm gonna say who I voted for, because I don't think it matters. I don't think it matters. I think it matters that you vote, because people died for us to have freedom and for us to be able to have a voice and for us to be able to vote. But I tell you what, if you put the same energy into getting really worked up and watching the news and going on Facebook and being annoyed and all the hate that you have towards Boris Johnson or towards Corbyn, all that energy, if you just put that into your own business, you put that into making money in property, you put that into being smart and trying to figure out, rather than, I don't want this person to be elected, rather than saying that, to say, if this person is elected, how's that going to affect the marketplace? And how can I be fluid with my strategy and monetize off of that and make money? You know, if you put your energy into thinking like that, then you'll get rich. So no hate, man. So what do I think is going to happen? I guess I do need to give a little bit of an opinion. First thing is, it doesn't matter who's in, you can always make money. Even if it gets to the point wast you can't, let's say the country goes communist, which is never going to happen, but let's say it's just completely impossible and you just can't, there's still ways around it. there's still, believe me, I know there's ways around it. But Boris being in, what's going to happen? Okay, so Corbyn did have quite a lot of extreme views around property investment and landlords, such as, you know, tenants' right to buy, abolishing Section 21 notices to get rid of tenants. There was some really quite concerning policies that Jeremy Corbyn was advocating. And the fact that now Boris has been voted in, I think what's going to happen is, rightly or wrongly, property investors, buyers that were scared to buy, that were holding off, that were saying, I'm not going to buy in case, you know, Corbyn gets in and this happens and that happens. Now there's a level of confidence that have come in to property investors. I've already seen that amongst my 25,000 members, which is going to mean that buyers are like, oh, okay, I can start buying again now. So people are going to start buying, which is then going to push house prices up. So house prices, I just dropped my shades. So house prices are going to go up. That's my prediction over the coming months, because there's a bit more certainty in the market. So that's going to happen. I think it's a very good time to buy, because there's still a lot of uncertainty. See, around Brexit. See, Boris said that he'd get us out of the EU. Again, is that a good thing or a bad thing? It's a non-thing. You just need to figure out how you can set the sail right. It's just wind. Blows on us all. It's not, just got to set the sail right, as Jim Rohn would say. So, Boris, with Brexit, there's still uncertainty happening. So what I would say is, make the most off of that uncertainty. While people are a little bit like, oh, what's going to happen now? Boris is in, what's going to happen? When's Brexit going to happen? Is it going to happen next month? Is it going to happen next year? While people don't know, people are scared, and while people are scared, that's when you should be greedy, as Warren Buffett says. So get greedy now. while people are still uncertain. But I think just with having Boris in, I think just the fact that Jeremy Corbyn is not going to be Prime Minister, house prices are going to go up, because that was scaring a lot of people. That was scaring a lot of people. So that's my thoughts. I don't think it matters in terms of who's in, who's out. You can still make money. Just take all the energy you have towards being successful. Cheer each other on, support each other. No hate, man. No hate. I'd love to know your thoughts. I'd love to know your views and opinions. So drop a comment below, let me know. By the way, right now I'm in Phuket. While everyone else has been worrying about the election, staying up all night, I've been in Phuket, enjoying the sunshine. But I do care. I do care about politics. I do care about our country. But I'm just not into hating on people. And I'm certainly not into giving control over anybody else on me and my family. I'm not into saying, oh, if this person gets in, we're all doomed. No, we're not doomed. I'm gonna look after myself, I'm gonna look after my family. Regardless of who's in power. Regardless of what the government's doing, who's in power, the education system. Listen, the whole system is out to keep you poor. The whole education system is there to make you poor. But guess what? I'm not poor. And neither should you be. Take control and take responsibility of your own life. Never leave it to someone else. It's just an excuse, man. People are just going to blame Corbyn, or now going to blame Boris, or blame Brexit as to why they're so broke. Truth is, it's got nothing to do with that. It's just an excuse. So take responsibility of your life, get money, help people, and no hate. That's my message today. No hate. So I'd love to know your thoughts. Comment your thoughts below. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you didn't like the video, if you hate on me, that's fine. I love it when people hate on me, because it just helps the YouTube algorithms. And for every one hater, you've helped 100. So I'm just going to keep speaking truth. I'm going to keep speaking my voice. People are scared to talk about politics, scared to talk about money, scared to talk about how to make money. They don't want you to be competition. They don't want you to be wealthy. No one wants you to be wealthy. Guess what? My incentive of doing these videos, of running my crash courses, is not to make money. I don't even get paid to train people. My training business just looks after itself, and any money it makes, we put it back into the business. I get paid off property. I get paid off making money in property. That's how I get paid. I'm just not afraid to speak truth. I love seeing other people succeed. Your success is my oxygen. That's my currency these days. That's my currency. My currency is seeing people succeed. Because honestly, rich people, the elite, they don't want you to compete with them, so they'd rather you stay poor. And then the government and the banks and the education system, they'd rather you stay employees. Why? Because then you're controllable. So it's a threat. Being financially free, me saying that anyone and everyone can be financially free if they follow this system, that's a threat, that's a dangerous message. Even some of my success students, people that become successful, become financially free, then tell me to stop teaching. Just because they've made it now. And I'm like, man, that's not my heart. So I'm just going to keep speaking truth over 2020. I hope you succeed. If you have already succeeded, if you've been on my courses, you've been on my training, now you're financially free, let me know. Go on to winnersonaWednesday.com and come onto the channel. Let's talk. Let me know. Your success is my oxygen. Anyway, peace out. I want to see some comments below. I read every single comment. Thank you so much.